Hello and welcome back to another new video on how to enhance HR profession with the help of AI. So today I'm going to take you all a walkthrough to one of the platform which acts as an AI chatbot to clear all the queries or like FAQ queries from the employees which are similar questions. So let's get on to the screen. Mm, so the site name is Tidio. So Tidio is a platform which works as an AI FAQ response maker. So once you click on the very first link, you will get interface like this. So click on start for free and check on the free trials and give your employee ID and generate a new password and give the website link. And click on the I agree to Tidio's terms and condition and privacy policy. Okay. So once you click on all those things, so you will get this kind of interface where you need to fill your name. So my name is Sri Harshita. So I'll be filling my name and which department do you work. So if you're working for the customer support, web developer, operations, marketing, I'm a business owner, IT technician, technical sales, others. So since I work for operations, I select this operations field and which tools or channels do you currently use to connect with your customers. So customers in the sense it's representing the employees. So if you're using select email, I'm just getting started. You can select that. Live chat you can select and others. So these are my preferences. But if any one of you are using the Zoho desk, then you can select that as well. Now click on next. What is your previous business model? So you can provide the primary business model. You can provide your primary business model. So I will select online store and mention the company's name. So I do have a brand code, BISK Best Lux soups, which are handmade soups. You can go and try them as well. So I'm going to give that. Okay. So beauty and personal care. I'm not sure about the customer conversation, so I select the I don't know. And here also I'll go and I'll select I don't know. Now, what are the things that I'm using majorly? So I'll select others, just me, because since we are into a trial version, so select just me. And what is your motive? It's like offer live support or increase sales, generate lead, configure ticketing system, or automate my support system with AI chatbot. So since we are looking for the automation of a support system with the help of AI chatbot, so I'm selecting that and select all the things wherever you want this one to be applied on. Let's get so once this page gets loaded, you will get this kind of interface wherein you can say like let's go, or you can even check on other things if you want to. So here it's asking like set up Lyro AI chatbot. So if you want to set up, you can do it or review your welcome message. Install Chido on your website. So first thing, friends, one is like you need to install this um, site to your website where you want all the FAQs or employee queries to be solved. So once after you install only it works. So after you install, you can do a setup this and scan priority pages or single page, whatever you want to be scanned, get it scanned. So you can select that and you can paste the website link and import knowledge. It's showing in progress because it's fetching the data used by. used by Lyro, because Lyro is a chatbot which is taking this what do we call how this Lyro AI chatbot is taking the responsibility to answer all the employee queries. So here you do have a different kind of sections. So wherein you can go and explore all, each and every section. If you want the detailed video, then click on notification bar and drop your uh, requirement in the comment section so that in the next video I'll be able to address all those. And the playground reset. So for example, how can I sign in for my child? As a query someone is asking. It's just a test. So how Lyro will be answering or responding will be showing here. Click on read more, it gives you more information or it takes to the page where you can go and check. How do I sign into YouTube? Again, it guides. How can I sign into a YouTube for my personal use? Again, it's going to respond. So if you do want to make any kind of modification, then you need to activate it and install this Tidio into your website and then check on the chatbots, all the responses. And also here you can check on the task. You have no task yet because I did not explore any kind of templates, to be honest. So configurations and all you need to check. But if you're going to install it to your company, then check with the dev team or with your company so that what are the things configurations they want, like live chat and messenger integration, Instagram integration, WhatsApp integration, and also if you want to activate like till what limitations you want, what limited duration or what is the limitations that you want to apply for giving an access for Chido. So all those things you need to check with your company. And here you can see like a hierarchical structure to which level, which kind of responses you wanted to give. So that is what the hierarchical structure you can build here. And coming to the customers, so here you can see like how many customers or how many employees did inquire on what kind of queries. So everything would be displayed for you over here. Analytics. And which is the most asked question and what is the most handled and misliked conversation. So based on the misliked conversation you can draft a personalized response to the employee and share it with them. Dashboard. So this dashboard shows you the complete analysis. And yeah, if you want any tips then you can go here and check. So if you want to finalize your Tidio setup, then you can do that by clicking on this 9 dots, which is like integration, and go to the settings and check all the settings guidance and everything so that you will have a clear understanding of what to be responded and what not to be responded and which automated chatbot can take care of and which you want to take care personally. Everything you can go to the settings and set. So here you can see that you can type your questions and you can turn on and AI will respond to these kind of questions. So if you have any queries or concerns regarding TDO, please drop all the queries into a comment section so that it will be easy for me to respond to all most of you or all the comments. And at the same time, please do like, share and comment on this channel. And the pro tip I would like to give you is like before you approach anyone regarding any kind of suggestion, think twice or multiple times whether that suggestion is really going to work and the team members are going to accept it or not. And try it by yourself first before you present it to someone. Thank you.